What if I told you that for just 14,000 pesos a month, you can own an Airbnb unit in BGC with a million peso view? Introducing a studio unit at Uptown Modern, strategically located in the heart of BGC. Waking up to breathtaking views of Antipolo Mountains and the Ortigas skyline, a view that travelers and Airbnb guests are willing to pay premium rates for. Perfect for investors looking to generate rental income from local and international guests visiting BGC. And here's the exciting part. Monthly starts at only 14,000 pesos with an annual lump sum of 650,000. Total contract price is only 18 million. No need to buy an entire building to earn from real estate. Start with premium studio in one of the most sought-after locations in Metro Manila. So if you're looking for an Airbnb investment in BGC, send me a message with the word modern and I'll send you the latest availability, sample computation, and the projected rental income. Don't wait until price go up. Inquire now. This is Jared Bagnayi. Welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam.